Hi everyone, this is Funky Gag. Nice to see you all again. So today's topic we're gonna cover on how to record smooth gameplay using Streamlabs OBS. I myself as a live streamer, I used to record my gameplay, but previously I've faced a lot of problem, which is we got skip frames, my Streamlabs lag, my image, my video quality is blur, and it's the footage, everything is just so worse, looks so out. After that, I tried to make some search and I figured out there is some settings that is pretty important that you have to make in order to get a pretty smooth recorded footage. So I hope by the end of this video, it helps everyone to solve your problem here, to solve your issue. By the way, let's stop talking and just dive right into it. Alright, before I'm gonna show you these recording settings, there are some basic settings that have to be done. So how is it? So just open up your Streamlabs OBS and at the left bottom corner, you'll see your settings and you just click the settings and it'll bring up this window right here. So before going to the recording, you need to come to this video tabs, video, and choose your base canvas resolutions and also your output. So basically you just set it according to your monitor, and output is the footage that I have been recorded in what resolution. So if you have a pretty high-end PC, you may go for 2K base canvas and output for 2K 1440p. But for smoother gameplay and it won't overload your system, I'll suggest 1080p for both of it. So it actually won't overload your system that much. And of course, FPS values must be 60. The best is the best. 60 is the best. And downscale filter, length source 32 samples. So you can just follow this, or you have a pretty decent CPUs and graphic card, yes, you can go for 1440p. So after you have been set this, and let's get into the recording part. Alright, so after the video settings, basic setting has been done. So now let's get to the recording setting. So where does it located? It will be in output. So when you just click on output, you'll see streamings and recordings and audio and replay buffer. So streamings, about streaming settings, I'm gonna cover it next time on the other topic. So today we just jump right straight into this recording. So for the output mode, just click advanced and type standard. Okay, recording path is where you save your footage. So always remember where you save your footage, cause me sometimes I forgot where do I save my files. Oh no. Alright, so comes to this recording format. There's a bunch of recording formats, but for me, I suggest just go for MP4, easy. Okay, just basics and easy. The other part, which is recording encoder. So okay, for this software X264 is if you have a pretty good CPU to handle all the encoding system, so you can go for X264 software. Or if you got a better graphic card, which is NVIDIA graphic cards, and you just go for NVIDIA NVENC for this one. If you got a pretty decent hardware you got there, just go for this one. This is basically the best. Audio encoder AAC, just go for default. Here comes the most important part of the recording gameplay. So we comes to this rate control here. So then in under rate control, there's 4. We got CQP, VBR, lossless, and CBR. I tried CQP, but I just couldn't find a value for a smooth gameplay recording. So ended up I go for CBR. I've tested 13,000. I've tested 17,000. 13,000 gameplay is smooth, but the video quality is kinda little bit not really that satisfying. So ended up I'll go for bitrate 15,000. I can suggest you to try 15,000 first. If 15,000 is still not really smooth, you can try to adjust it accordingly. You can decrease or increase by using 500 to 1000 of the value. So if you found CQP, VBR, lossless, the one is better, do let me know in the comment. I'll give it a try. So keyframe interval, you just follow this one. And the preset, using slow or good quality. You can even try to play with medium or slower, but don't go to slowest. just play in these three. But the best suggestion I can give is either slow or slower. And tuning, high quality. Multi-pass mode, there are three, but I just go for single pass. And profile, just set it to high. This leave it to default, and yeah, that's it. This is my recording settings. So you can just follow the settings and give it a try, and just keep on record. Play back your footage. If it's not good, just keep on record and play back again until you're satisfied with the footage that you have recorded. And there's one more thing I haven't mentioned yet. So if you are recording your gameplay or streaming at the same time, or just do it separately, but always close any other unnecessary program in the background in order to confirm that you got a pretty smooth recording gameplay and it doesn't really overload your system, because it actually helps. Although it's not too much, but it helps. Alright, that's all for today's topic. I hope you figured out how to make a smooth recording gameplay. If you found out this content's helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also check out my other videos for gaming tips and tricks. Happy streaming, happy recording. I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.